Alright, so this Gorgar board set. So the MPU, we did 6 new .156 headers. Replaced the 6808 with the 6802. Replaced the 3 ROMs. We did 3 new sockets. Replaced the 74LS02 as well as abated the alkaline. And then did a coin cell battery holder as well as the filter cap. And we had a bad LED up top, so I went ahead and replaced both of those. The driver board, we replaced the socket, TIP 122 or 120, TIP 42, all 12 of the headers, as well as the interconnect. We did a filter cap, as well as a switch mod here as well. And I'll go ahead and get a blinking LED added to that. And the soundboard, we did the 5 capacitors, the 4 headers. We did 3 new sockets and also a new crystal. Go ahead and get this powered up. So we got high score to date. It's the last game played. Lamp matrix dancing. Get this thing into display test here. There's that. And then all lamps. And move over here to solenoids. So that is the flipper ground that you see come on there. And the coin lockout's not lit because that's not a or I'm sorry, I have it on free play here. And the special solenoids are also switch controlled there as well. And then last test is going to be switch test. So we'll go through the first column. So 1 through 8. And then the first row. And then Gorgar, last switch is switch 44 there. And then with the soundboard, I've got my little makeshift tester here. So there's all the sounds. Go back through them. And then also so there you are, man. Everything's working great. Thank you so much for sending them.